So today we got a 2023 R1250 Limited. I think this is a Limited. I have to ask my friend, Big Beautiful Traveler. Check him out. Just got this. This bike has a cool, oh, what the heck? How do I turn the power on? There you go. 3,600 and something miles on her. And yeah, 3707 from my ride home from work. He's got the BRP. So what we're going to do is put these Michelin Anakees on. He rides more on the street, but he gets a little bit of adventure in them and stuff. So they're definitely, these bad boys should be better than these Karo 3s. So what are these Mitzlers? These Mitzlers here. So I think the speed on this thing, the VMAX is 100 miles an hour. Those ones are rated for 140. I'm sure that when the day's over, I probably do whatever I can do on the way home, but that's not why we're here. We're going to take the sucker out. So he's almost down to the rear marks and 3,700 miles on this. And yeah, I'm hoping I got the stuff to change it out real quick. And that's what I'm going to get into. So come along and hopefully we get this done real quick and I get back and get my BRP back. Not saying that I wouldn't take this BMW, you know, but that's what I'm getting after. So we're going to be up on it and see what we can get into. Thanks, guys. That sucker came off nice and smooth. Feels like I'm doing an endurance race. This is my setup I'd like. So yeah, it's pretty hot. This BMW's bad. Now being that this bad boy has a pressure sensor in it, I'm gonna try to break the bead low around away from that so I don't mess it up. At least I thought these guys had the tire pressure sensor in it. I didn't go through his settings when I was driving here. Because this is a high-end BMW, you don't need to do that. I'm gonna put a little bit of soapy soap on it. But what I would do with this is that anything that moves, I think it will help it slide a little better. I don't want to take any chances. Call me stupid, whatever you want. Don't call me late for dinner. As you can tell, I've got a shape to maintain. Round is a shape. That rubber resistance is gonna have like one of those weird bead locks, rim bead like the Harley did. And yes, you could spoon it, but I'm not gonna lie, spooning sucks.
to ride?
The gravel, dude? I need like a week on it. I was like, sketch?
Actually?
Oh, like they just did it with the grader. So it was sketch to me.
Yeah.
How would I like this? This is so wide.
Oh, that's a bad mother sucker, John.
The thing rips.
They ripped this out of here.
That engine's huge though.
Oh yeah. So as you can see,
It's really big.
so as you see, it does have a tip sensor on it, so you gotta be mindful of how you do it. Again, I like to start behind it, so I don't mess up. Road racing trick when we would ask the Michelin guy is I put the barcode in line with the valve stem. Anybody out there working for Michelin, shout a guy out. Let me know what if it's still that way. That's what I would be when I would run old Michelins for my race bikes. So that's what I go. That's what I tell people when I'm doing it. So here we go. We'll get back in. Come here. I'm gonna get this coming your way. Just push down on it when it rotates. Coming at you a little bit. All right, keep going. There we go. There you let go. Watch your hand. So what I got here, this is a BMW attachment. Thank you to my buddy Glenn. Wait till you see this cool thing we got here. Another cool thing. So this should fit. He had a BMW and I was the tire guy. So we'll put this on there. I'll show you that in a minute, how it works. And I just want to say thanks to Glenn. He watches the channel. This is for the dump truck. Any heavy thing, we're going to do a review on that down the road. He gave it to me to play with it when we're done. So that's it's another tire thing slash equipment. So we'll back to the hand here with our BMW. I had to shout you out, Glenn. Thanks, bud. So I got it all skimmed up right now. I pinched it off, got this stuff stopped. That piece is okay. It's just my shaft's on the low side. So now I'm just got to be easy on it. See what if we find it. Look, it's see going good. This is exactly what I need. I needed to lock the axle to the tire because we want the heaviest side to go down. My axle is just smaller than that little cool extension piece. And yeah, so we'll finally get it dialed in now. You can better believe I'm gonna go as fast as this motorcycle can go when we get these tires on there. So it's a little heavy. I probably could take one off. It's custom.
How fast does it go?
The last tires were rated for 100 and 100. I easily did 100 as soon as I got to the feet.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did.
Easily?
Easy. Okay. She wasn't even breaking a sweat. I was doing 106 and at 6,000 RPMs.
In fifth or sixth?
Six. Oh, take some pressure off that. Make sure that's nice and it loosened a little bit. Let's give it a little love. It's good. It's nice and better as it's gonna be. Let me take this off. Take one
Wait, there's
off.
6 gears in that?
Yeah.
Jeez.
I'm gonna do one.
So were you using the clutch when you did it or no?
No, I was quick shifting, man. It's got a quick shifter. I'm utilizing the fun. Yeah, that's awesome, dude. Perfect.
What does it sound like?
Nothing. It sounds like pure happiness. Good to go. Good enough to get us on the ground. So I wanted to do that because I'm gonna put my stand up on the front here, and I didn't want to take a chance of anything stupid with the stuff. So we'll see in a second. So if you don't have this Allen key size, I didn't even look. What you can do is you can cheat. You can keep that frickin' tight, one side tight. Loosen this up, you know, the stopper on it, so you got one side tight. Then you just bust it loose, and the other side will be good too. So I'm just gonna preemptively do some stuff real quick, so I'm ready for when I take get the tire up in the air. I'm like some. little grease up on this sucker. See, just get this bad boy up here real quick. Boink. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. Do nothing, Ben. I'm almost ready where you could not beat it like that. So now that I got it, I could just freaking wait. Second. Where did it go? Put your foot in, actually, you stay there, Arabelle. Put your foot in the brake. I want you to step on that front feet. You don't gotta put your whole weight on, just hold it. That's good. I gotta get the back lugs a cinch here, make sure it's tight for me. Hey, Belle, go over there. There's a little breaker bar in the ground. By that pipe. Give me that little breaker bar. I'm gonna use that instead.
What?
Yep, it's called a breaker bar. Here. Thank you. Hold that brake. Now we go play. I don't know if it's working. So right now all this is I had the tires off. It says ABS is pissed. Nothing's off, so let's go drive it. See if I blow it up.